YouTube friends and family. Y'all know, if y'all have been subscribed to my channel, y'all know I love to shop. So I took myself on a cheap budget shopping date and had a good time. It's a way to get 2,000 steps in, a cheap meal, and some shopping in. Love on yourself. Love on yourself. So I went to Ikea, and I am in Jacksonville, so we have one in town. And the store, it's about 2,000 steps, so it's like walking a couple of laps around the track. The key to getting around in there is following the arrows on the floor. That will take you to the store, through the store beginning to end. You can go online and sign up to be a family member. That's basically their mailing list. You get a discount card. They no longer offer the 5% discount on everything you buy, but they have meal deals when you're a family member. Anytime you go in there, I've been bopping around clearing up stuff, so I'm getting a little sweaty. Okay, so anytime you go in there, you can get a free cup of coffee in the cafe because you're a family member. They have the creams and the sugars and the coffee, and you get the cup and all of that good stuff. Free, normally $1.50. So my morning coffee, a morning walk. Then they have a breakfast for $2. Not only is it a breakfast, it's a low-carb breakfast because you get scrambled eggs and bacon for $2. So here we are, $2 in, and we've had breakfast. We've already walked about 1,000 steps and browsed the store. Okay, so I'm unemployed. I got to find something to do that don't cost me too much money. But of course, while I'm in there, I'm looking and I'm looking for the clearance items. And they always have seasonal clearance in Ikea. So I spent, after the $2 for breakfast, which was delicious, they also had a $3 lunch special that day. So you could have got any lunch the day I was there for $3. So they have stuff like salmon. The meatballs with the gravy and the mashed potatoes and a vegetable are normally very good. So normally, I hadn't tasted it in at least 6 months. It used to be busting, but all food tastes different to me since 2019. Everything tastes, a lot different now. Maybe you don't notice, but I do. So I spent $47 with tax, $47.79 with tax. So yes, I spent some money. But I got a good little bit of stuff, and it was all like markdown clearance for the most part. Let me keep this receipt handy because I don't remember everything. So, extra frying pan, never go wrong. Kids scratch them up. Kids put them in the dishwasher and they get scratched up. This was $2.99, perfect for morning breakfast. So I grabbed one of these. They have a lot, and it's a Teflon pan. So they were $2.99. And anything as is, I think they don't let you return it. I don't know for sure because I've never tried it. It's normally $1 or $2. I'm not going to try to return it. So I got 2 of these bowls. These were 99 cents a piece. So these are good for mixing bowls, thawing your meat out in, things like that. And mine that I've been using is a little old and scratched up and with plastic like that. At some point, it's time to toss it out or repurpose it outside in the garden or something like that. So I got that. And this is coming. So coming up, I'm going to do a DIY with this. These were 89 cents each. I bought 2 of them. And it's boxes that you build. But if you go to like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, buy those decorative boxes and they're $10, $15, $20, $25, and you may not even like them in 3 months. They may not even go with your decor in 3 months. Got a hack for that. I'm going to put the hack in a short and link it to this video. So that might be how you found this video. So my gardeners, this is the most expensive, excuse me, the most expensive item that I purchased for my gardeners. My gardeners. Do you know what this is? This is the clay grow medium for hydroponics. This is a pretty large bag. And when I checked Amazon, this beats Amazon's price. Pick it up at Ikea. $9.99 for the bag. This is a large bag. It can last a good little while with aquaponics, hydroponics growing. So that was a very good find. And of course, again, that's the most expensive thing I purchased. Ikea is always a good place to get this. Once this stuff starts to get melted and, you know, in the pot and stuff and have little melt marks on it, it's time to replace it. And you can replace it pretty cheaply. $1.99 for a 3-piece set at Ikea. So some of their items are still good to go. I lost my frother on my last vacation. I have one for travel and I have one on a stand that I keep at home. So it came up missing on vacation. I don't know if I left it in the room or whatever, but they're only $1.99 at Ikea. So I replaced it. $2 for a frother, and I make my coffees when I go on vacation, so I need that. This, let me see, because you know they have these funny names. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty and decorative. It is a candle. It is on clearance. And it was, what's the name of it? Soda Ring? It was $4.99, so it was still expensive. But I love the look. Isn't that pretty? It was marked, it was reduced, put it that way. It was on sale, but it wasn't clearance. But that is a pretty design. And it smells so good. It's a ginger, green tea ginger flavor or scent. This thing smells so good. And it's been a while since I bought their candles. Probably still got some from years ago. They still smell good, but I just like the look of the container. All that detail. They had this in white with a different scented candle and the black. So gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. That might be something I would keep and reuse. So I purchased 4 of these. These were on the as-is section. So on the way to the registers, you have your as-is section. And second chance at life, they could be returns. They could be anything. So this says generic article as is. So this was 70 cents each. They had 4 of them. I purchased all 4 of these. Because I have a plan. That's good for organizing and magazines, the intended purpose, and all of that good stuff. So their pillow covers are good. When you want a slight change in decor, you can just do a pillow cover, a new pillow cover. So these were, see that design? I'm just trying to give you a close-up of the design. These were $2 each. They're 20 by 20 pillow covers. $2 each. They look a little different because I can't, well, maybe I just don't see the gray in here. Because the backs look the same kind of. So it's giving you 2 different views of what it could look like. So yeah, $1.99 each. And then I purchased 2 of these. Now this was one of the pricier items. These are so cute. The little pom-pom puffs. They're 20 by 20. And I want to say these were expensive. They were, let's see. Yeah, they were $5 each. They were marked down because their cushions covers can go as high as $10 a piece. So these were half price at $4.99 each. So Very, very cute. Very, very cute. So if I want to change up, or if you get a stain on something, just switch them out. But I have some changing up to do. So that was everything. That's my haul from Ikea. So if you've never been, it's very intimidating to some people. I have friends that won't go. People I know that won't go. They've been once and got lost, and they're intimidated by the whole concept. But just give it a try one time. And if you don't like it, don't go back. They even have click and pull. So you can shop online and go pick it up, pull up, they'll bring it to your car. Or you either have to go to a counter to pick it up. But it's a very good, cool place to go. Cheap date if you want to go hang out. This Ikea even has a direct entrance. Now that I didn't know. I guess they added that. I had no idea that you can actually park by the restaurant the cafeteria, and just go to the cafeteria. They also have free Wi-Fi. So it looked like it's near a college. So it looked like some students might have been camping out up there and doing their homework or something. So nice place to visit. If you've never been to our Jacksonville location and you're from Jacksonville, Kingsland, Georgia, Orange Park, go visit. You might like it. And thank you so much for watching. As always, prep and pray. And plant a seed with this new grow medium. And if you caught my most recent short, I got cucumbers growing in the house. I got peppers growing in the house with no pollinators. I'm so happy. But thank you so much for watching. I love you to life. Have a wonderful day.